Hello, guys. Welcome to episode 3. I am Mano.
And I'm Yash.
Today, we will be discussing the best ways for you to keep safe and the best vaccine that is possibly around right now.
Many questions go around now. Why are there so many cases? Despite the fact that we, on several occasions, have increased the travel restrictions in the country. So, what we can do now to keep ourselves and our families safe is to get as many people as vaccinated as possible. The more people are vaccinated, the safer we are.
I'm sure that many of us miss school and miss to talk to our friends physically. Through online class, we have learned a lot, but it is not as good going to the real school. Well, after all, online study may be the future soon.
So, coming back to the topic, we would like to share some info about the vaccines from one of Star News' articles.
The writer in the article says that there are more cases than the reported ones, which means that nearly anybody could get infected if they don't follow the SOPs. So coming to vaccine, which everybody knows, we have 3 main vaccines in Malaysia currently, which is the Pfizer BioNTech, AstraZeneca, the Oxford, and the Sinovac.
The Pfizer vaccine works by delivering a piece of mRNA that gives the body instructions on how to make the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is the virus that causes COVID-19. The spike proteins stimulate the body's immune response, producing antibodies and developing memory cells that will recognize and respond if there's an infection by the actual virus. So it basically trains our immune system how to fight off the virus.
Yes, correct. Exactly. So now we have something similar to that, which is next we have the AstraZeneca, which contains a modified version of a harmless adenovirus, which carries the DNA sequence that codes for the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. In the body, the DNA provides instructions through the body's own mRNA on how to make the spike protein, which then stimulates antibody and memory cells production to protect against an actual infection.
Now, the Sinovac vaccines contains the whole cultured SARS-CoV-2 virus, which has been killed to destroy any disease-producing capability. Such inactivated vaccines have for a long time been used in several vaccination programs and will often be needed to be given in multiple doses, with a booster dose to help maintain immunity.
We could say that the vaccination rate in Malaysia is fast and high. As many as 150 to 300,000 people a day are getting vaccinated, which is really, really good compared to other countries if compared with population ratio.
Now, let's move on to the effectiveness against these vaccines against several types of the COVID-19 virus. The emergence of viral variants has added another dimension to the vaccine's efficacy and effectiveness. There are 4 variants of concern, with the Delta variant becoming more dominant globally. Its transmission rate was reported to be 60% more than that of the Alpha variant. PHE has reported that the Pfizer/BioNTech vaccine was 90% more effective against hospitalization and death from the Alpha and Beta variants. The AstraZeneca/Oxford vaccine had 86% effectiveness against hospitalization from the Alpha variant of the virus.
Interesting, isn't it? So, meanwhile, a Scottish study reported that the Pfizer BioNTech and AstraZeneca Oxford vaccines were effective in reducing the risk of infection and hospitalization in those with the Delta variant. But the effects on infection appear to be diminished when compared to those with the Alpha variant. There is no published data about the effectiveness of Sinovac vaccine against the variants. So there is no proper information yet about. So we hope that the information comes soon, especially with the Delta one.
Coming to a conclusion, which is the best vaccine? It's reasonable to want the best vaccine available because we all want what's best for our bodies. However, one has to consider the current circumstances and vaccine availability. So the best vaccine is unknown. However, these vaccines have been proved to be effective against battling the COVID-19 virus. So the more people who are vaccinated, the safer our country is.
As Yash said, right? The more people get vaccinated, the more the community is protected, thereby curtailing the spread of COVID-19 is very crucial. It is important that the vaccination rates run ahead of the spread of the viral variants. The effectiveness of 2 doses against the variant show that it is crucial to get the second jab.
That is all for episode 3 of SMY Podcast. This is Yash, and that is Manu. We are signing off. And till the next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us.